2018 Chevy Camaro RS V6. What we got done on it. Got factory converters there and there, up there. See them? Right there. Right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. Then got secondary converters there, a set. Then it kept going true dual, but he didn't want me to take the resonator off yet. He'll probably be back to take that off in about a week or two. It's got the valves in it still here and here, spring loaded. Then we put a BORLA ATAK system there and there, instead of that giant muffler right there that comes on these. There it is. He saw a video and he said, I want this. And I said, we can do it. The other one didn't have the resonators. This one does. BORLA ATAK 2018 Camaro RS V6. Part number on the BORLA ATAK is 11927. We'll see if we can have a link in the description for it. And there's that gigantic muffler we cut off. This looks a lot better, a lot cleaner, in my personal opinion. And like always, guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. And share. Yeah, that's the word. Share. BORLA ATAK. Axle back. Woo. Good?
Oh, way better.
That resonator needs to come off.
Oh, yeah.
Then it'll be true dual. A couple of weeks. Like always, guys, he's a soldier. We want to say thank you for his service. We appreciate your service, brother.
Thank you for the support.
Again? That sounds good. Sound decibels? Again? Right on 92. Yeah, once you take that resonator off, it'll be like 115. Go ahead and back it up. That looks so good with those steps. It's clean. Sounds really good on these. BORLA ATAK. Axle back with resonator still on it. True dual. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro. She winked at me. I like it. That sounds so good. Oh man, that BORLA sounds really nice.